Hi, this is Mami Julie. Some of you are asking kung anong ginamit naming travel wifi during our trip. Recently, we went to Singapore and Malaysia. Siyempre, internet is a must dahil work is lifer kahit nasa travel. Kaya prior to our flight, nagbook na agad ako ng aming travel wifi through Klook. Ito yung Big Sky Travel Wifi. Meron silang pickup booth operating 24/7 sa NAIA Terminal 1 and 3. Once you cleared from immigration and the final x-ray, make your way on the left side. Kita mo agad yon, orange booth. Malaki rin yung sign na Big Sky Travel Wi-Fi. How to claim? Ipakita nyo lang yung QR code or voucher na galing sa Klook. Let them know kung saang bansa kayo pupunta at kung ilang days kayo doon. Katulad sa amin, 3 days sa Malaysia, 3 days sa Singapore dahil ipoprogram pa pala nila yon. In-avail ko yung unlimited and I paid 2,800 for 6 days. Sulit naman, the connection is fast. Strong signal, the battery lasts up to 8 hours. Medyo umiinit lang, which is normal dahil paghapon lang namin siyang hinayaang naka-on. And good thing about this Wi-Fi is shareable up to 5 devices. Marirecommend ko talaga to, lalo na if when you're traveling with your family. Pag naka-eSIM kasi tapos mag-hotspot lang kayo, sobrang mabilis makadrain ng battery So yun, if you're planning a quick trip out of the country, Big Sky Travel is the key.